if you are a content creator and you know you want to level up your content creation strategy, you are in the right place. Yes, this is the place for you. Synolve Media is the place for you. If you want to level up your content creation strategy and you're ready to take it to the next level, have I got some ideas and information and strategies exclusively for you. This is the season to take our content creation strategy to the next level. Hi guys, it's Synolve. How are you guys doing? Welcome to my channel where we do self-care and self-love and we talk about travel. Kudos to you. Thank you. Thank you for joining me. And if you're new, welcome to the family, honey. Come on. Thank you for being here. I really appreciate it. Welcome to the Synolve tribe and the Synolve family. Well, over here, I'm going to be talking about content creation and content planning and content strategy. We're going to be talking about how to grow our audience. Going to talk about the creator economy. If you have an idea or a business or a concept, look, that you're just thinking about have already started, then you're in the right place, because your information should be shared with the world, and I'm going to help you do that. We're going to share that. I'm going to share tips on how to share and grow your online presence. There are some interesting statistics that are out there about what's coming in 2053. In 2053, it is estimated that Black wealth will be at 0, and we can't have that. No, So I was talking to my husband and I was thinking about this, and I'm like, well, why would that be? What's happening? And it's because we are not necessarily pivoting as fast as we should be into the creator economy. If you hadn't noticed, there was a pandemic and a global reset, lots of stuff happening around the world, and companies are closing at alarming rates and slowing down, and there's a lot of stuff that's going on when it comes to the workforce, and people are just going in and quitting. They're just saying, I ain't doing this no more. But it's not necessarily us in every situation. We have been trained since birth to work. To what do you want to be when you grow up? What job, right? What job do you want to have? What do you want to be? Where do you want to be employed? Where do you want to work? And then you go to school, you go through K through 12, and they teach you about jobs, right? Not necessarily entrepreneurship. And then you go to college and you think, oh, okay, well, let me take this, or let me take this course, let me take that. And you are taught to be an employee for somebody, for someone. And so now it's time to change and shift the narrative, because it's time for us to pivot into the creator economy, into becoming content creators. And you can do it. And so the way to do that is to start now. Start with your branding. Start with your content creation strategy, right? And we're going to talk about that all over here. Start with, what platform do I utilize? And what do I post? What kind of content do I even create? Those are kinds of things that I'm going to help you to work through. Look, I have been on social media for a very long time, since the beginning, really. I used to work from computer services back in the 80s, and they knew that, with list servers and all kinds of other things that we really just don't do anymore because technology has changed anymore. Look, you can tape a full television show, movie, and even go live right from your phone. And we didn't have those capabilities with Wi-Fi and all the amazing things that are happening now, and the technology that's right there on your phone. You can do some amazing things. And if you have a camera, even better, right? So we're going to discuss this. We're going to discuss the creator economy, and we're not going to leave any more money on the table. One of the things that I see with content creators are really amazing, intelligent, and amazing people is that often they are posting amazing things that could be monetized, that could be turned into a workshop, that could be turned into a book. Hi, I'm Synolve, by the way, and I am the author of Love the New Currency. I have a lot of digital products workshops and courses and all kinds of things. But I've been making money online for a very long time. And so now I want to show you how to do that. And I'm going to bring in some really amazing guests who are going to, along the way, sprinkled along the way, who are going to be talking about content creation and the things that they do as well. So every now and then, yeah, we'll bring some amazing guests in, like my husband who has an MBA, and we'll talk about amazing things, and so many other content creators. I just can't wait. I got ideas, y'all. So stick around for that. And look, it's time that we pivot from a worker sort of mindset into creating our own economy. If you have a business, or if you have an idea or something that you're doing, you should be, right? You got to grind and a hustle. You should be creating content, and you should be getting paid for that content and connecting with the right audience for you and for your business. Amazing things are happening. So go ahead and subscribe and like. Leave me a comment below. Let me know what you're up to. Let me know what you're planning, and let's get connected to the creator economy. And so I thought all of the knowledge that I've been racking up all of these years and gaining and expertise, that I would share that with you. I love social media. I love social media planning. I love content creation, content planning. So I am a content writer and content creator. That's what I love. That's what I do. And so I have racked up so much knowledge and wisdom and information over time. I am a writer at heart, so I have studied script writing and copywriting, and I have studied how, course writing, how to put it into a course, how to formulate this, right? And I've also taught on the academic level. I've taught college. And so there's so many things about writing, because at the essence of what we do on YouTube and all of these other amazing platforms, Reels, Facebook Reels, and look, honey, and Instagram and TikTok and all the other new amazing things that are coming and will come. Yes, I'm excited to share those things with you. But at the base of it is content and writing, and strategy and being strategic when you post, what you post, how to post, and how to connect with your audience, how to brand yourself so that you are protecting yourself, so your brand is recognizable and people know who you are. Look, I'm dressed today because we are ready. Are we getting this tribe together? Got my fatigues on. We getting this tribe together, and we're about to go to work. Are you ready? Are you ready to be a content creator and to do amazing things? Are you already a content creator and you just want to level up what you're doing? If you want to level up your content creation, this is the place for you. I'm so glad that you are here with me. I'm Synolve, by the way. I want to leave a link to buy me coffee so you can share and then become a member of the tribe, a part of the family. And to really get connected, you want to email me at synolve@gmail.com and become an insider. Become a Synolve insider. Become a member of the Insider Tribe, the Synolve Insider Tribe. And it's an exclusive club. And I'm going to give you behind the scenes information. And if you really like this content, go ahead and buy me a coffee over at Buy Me a Coffee. Let me just tell you, you guys over on Buy Me a Coffee, I just want to appreciate you, because you guys are the reason that I'm doing this content. The coffees that you bought and the encouragement when I have talked about the creator economy and being a content creator and the things and the ways that I've made money. And you said that you love the content. It was great. It was awesome that you learned something. Yay! Thank you. This is why I'm doing this. I'm doing this for you. And I appreciate you so much. And thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you to hubby for encouraging me and telling me that I should be doing this. Look, I have a master's in communication, which, I've studied this. And I've been a content creator since the beginning of content creation. Let me go ahead and sip this tea, honey. Yeah. And that was good. I have been a content creator since the beginning of the internet. I'm just saying. And watching developers and engineers system engineers create and code, and coders code, all that over when I was in university. And so if you are a content creator and you know you want to level up your content creation strategy, you want to connect with me at synolvemedia@gmail.com so that we can level up in this creator economy. We're going to level up in the content creator economy, and we're going to do it together. I look forward to seeing you guys soon.